Hi, this is Brenda Meller with Meller Marketing. LinkedIn has rolled out a new feature where we can now add services to our profile and request reviews from connections. My good friend John Asperian recently posted about this, and he showed the perspective of obtaining the request from the person, and then he walked us through the process of giving the review. Now I want to show you where you can find some information about the reviews, and I'm putting a little asterisk on this because I don't actually see all of the information yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going on my profile. If you've enabled this feature, it would appear in a gray box at the top saying providing services. I'm going to click on this, and keep in mind I'm in my view of my account right now, okay? I noticed along the left-hand side it says reviews status. Reviews status sounds a little grammatically incorrect. Let's click on that. So now I can see it says clients here at the top, and it's showing me the people that I had sent a review out to. And I can see under Jillian, it says that she did review on 6/11. She gave me a rating 5 out of 5 stars. Same with Kevin D. Turner, with Jeff Young. So I can see all of these individuals have given me a review. And I'm not seeing their review. I know John did because he walked us through the steps and he actually showed us this. And I'll link to this in the comments. But I can't see any of these reviews. I can see that they've each given me a review of 5 out of 5 stars, but I'm not seeing what the reviews are themselves. So I'm going to click on the back button to go back to this page again. At the top, you'll see it says Brenda Meller Services, and I've added in these 4 categories, which LinkedIn makes available to me. But here's the interesting part. Even though these individuals have given me reviews, when I look under reviews, it says you haven't received enough reviews to display an overall rating. So I'm not sure what this means. I do see that it still says invite more clients to review, and I have 14 out of 20 invitations remaining. If I click on invite to renew, it pops up a screen that shows the services, and then what I would do here is click on content marketing, for example, and then I would search for name. It's showing at the top that I have 14 credits available out of 20 total, and the credit refill will not occur until January 1st. So it says sending an invite to review to a client requires 1 credit. If an invite is withdrawn, the credit is returned. So whereas on a company page, if you send out an invitation to follow and they accept it, you get the credit back. In this case, you don't get the credits back. So I'm going to be very careful about the remaining 14 credits I have to give, because I'm not going to be able to issue any more through January 1st of next year, and it's only June right now. So I'm still waiting to see the reviews coming in. I'm not sure what's happening here, but it does appear that LinkedIn is saying I don't have enough reviews on my profile yet. So now what I'm going to do is probably put together an email list of my 20 or maybe 25 favorite or top clients, and I'll ask them if they'd like to send me a review. And if so, then I will issue the review to them. I'm going to be very careful about issuing the next 14 because I want to make sure that there's a high likelihood that they are going to accept them and not just simply ignore them, and then it would sit there as pending. So that's it. Sorry I don't have more information to share. I'm going to thank John in the comments and in this post for tagging me in his video. And I would encourage you to just continue to follow me on LinkedIn. As I have another update, I'll add it as a comment to this post and to this video. This is Brenda Meller. Have a wonderful day.